Little captain URFC and of course player at Lamu Province. Me also about the national team. It's now getting prepared for the biggest tournament in the African continent, and of course we are really behind the team. We are going to support, and of course I encourage everyone wherever they will be to support the team. Yes, I know the team has been preparing well, and I know the qualities the team has. On my side, yeah. Guessing because
Which stage do you think we can reach as Cranes?
According to me, I think Uganda Cranes will go past group stage. That's what I can. I'm going to give Morocco.
Morocco.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
UPPC player. I'm representing Lamu Province. I think Uganda can make it final because it has good players. So, as you know, Uganda, we believe in ourselves, we can make it. Rely on other clubs because I know my team is strong, my country is strong, we can make it.
Amazina ganje ni ya Moseid, omuzano wa Bull FC, Gajinja. Timu y'ihanga yitu ya national team Uganda Cranes ejire omafcon group yemu egumire konka nindeba group ejo basa kuja kuguma kibinja amkrabu zamba amna nkeji amahanga gamani ka Nigeria Tanzania konka nindeba nsa performing ngaje konka basa kuguma kibinja club ihangeri kusubira kuja nza kutwareja afcon insubira Morocco kubize ne performing ngaje munonga insubira Morocco kwa kunywera basa kutwareja chafu.
Amazina ninye Dennis Otim, goalkeeper ali UPPC Entebbe. Afcon yaza kutandika elizoba. So timu yitu ya Uganda Cranes ninsubira neza kukola je munonga alioru no kurugo mu group neza kurugo mu group stages tulinde knockouts turebe chonka nyowe nintekateka neza kukola je rugo mu groups then timu era atware che chikopo nintekateka neza kubera hosts Morocco neza kutwara chikopo tekateka. Reason Morocco ine timu nonje munonga na nogo mwaka waza kureba national teams za Morocco nyingi zihangwire chikopo, so wareba timu ibe sire mazima they are title contenders, so ntekateka Morocco neza kuchitwara.
Banyeta iya namanya omushambi wa Mbarara City Football Club na Ankole Province. Chinkuteka national team of course ninaman bokwikiriza ngwi hangali yetu neli yaman kandi of course tuchadira twine kajiri hangali yetu era twine kushajika bojo tukabaze nyuma tukumanya ngumbaza kukolecha mano Afcon age ekyakabiri muntu team yifuteka ngo za kuhangula epakezi nintekateka Nigeria nebasa kangula konga still tinka ye bwihanga yanje nalyo nimba nhatira kuja ngo nishabira ngurishike big stage keje ya kutwara chikopo cha Afcon.